Hey, what's up XRP holders? Welcome to a new brand XRP video, my brother. In this video I will update you the very huge update, my brother. Absolutely, today XRP will broke all records and definitely my friend will move upward now. Yes, absolutely, this is reality, my brother. So kindly you need to watch this video, my brothers, to see my prediction, my opinion and everything, my friend, which I shared you in this video is going to be very important now. My friend, as first of all, as you can see here, please subscribe our YouTube channel, click the red button and press the bell icon for videos notification, and after that, my brother, just only focus what I talk to you. And this time, as you can see, my brother, this time the change occurred last 7 days, 1.33% they will move upward in last 7 days. But in last 24 hours, my friend, you can see here they will fail us down, so definitely that's very bad. But absolutely, my friend, this is reality. As you can see here, minus 0.34% they fail us down. And you can see here in last 1 hour today, my friend, I want to tell you 0.34% today in last 1 hour they will move upward now. So that's mean to in the start of day. I hope, my brothers, they will good and they will move upward now. Congratulations, XRP holder. Yes, my brother, if you just only check out the more update about XRP, so you can see here the price update 0.6 USD dollar, my friend. The price is goes down, but definitely the percentage is good now. I hope, my brothers, they will be stable now and they will be starting moving upward now. So just in all, my friend, if we check out the chart results, so we better understand to what's going on next. This time, my friend, the chart is completely show you to they will move upward in upcoming time. That's mean my prediction is going to be positive now, because the resistance line, as you can see here, my brother, come here. So that's mean, my brother, you can see here in the last point the arrow is moving upward and absolutely the candle is going to be, my friends, green now. So I hope, my brothers, they will move upward in upcoming time, and if they will hit, my friends, the resistance line, so that's mean to this coin is going to be profit now. My prediction is positive. My opinion is to please hold, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. Please share your opinion and prediction, my friend, in our comment box. This will be very good, my friend, for all of you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.